Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. This video is on the best glue for metal. This list is the result of detailed research and hands-on testing, considering features, pricing quality, and brand reputation. Make sure to check the description below for more details and up-to-date pricing. We've included all the links in the description below. Before we begin, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and press the bell so you never miss out on our latest videos. Starting at number 5. The Permatex 8411Y plastic weld adhesive is a professional-grade structural bonding agent engineered for high-performance repairs and general-purpose assembly. This versatile black adhesive creates a remarkably tough and durable bond across an expansive range of materials, including most plastics, composites, ceramics, and wood. Designed for efficiency, the formula requires no primers and achieves a reliable set in just 5 minutes at room temperature, making it an essential tool for time-sensitive projects. With a permanent strength rated up to 3,500 psi, it provides the structural integrity needed for demanding applications like interior trim repair or filling deep cracks. Whether you are bonding rigid ABS and acrylic or securing steel to vinyl, this adhesive ensures a seamless, long-lasting connection. Its precision applicator makes it perfect for automotive or household tasks where a clean, high-strength finish is the top priority for any craftsman. Number 4. Weldbond Multi-Surface Adhesive is a premier, heavy-duty solution for creators and professionals seeking a dependable, all-in-one bonding agent. This versatile formula excels at securing a vast array of materials, from intricate glass mosaics and pottery to structural woodwork and stone masonry. Engineered for efficiency, it sets in just 20 minutes without the need for cumbersome clamping, allowing you to move through projects with speed. The adhesive dries to a completely transparent, sandable finish, ensuring that your repairs and crafts maintain a clean, professional aesthetic. Its weatherproof properties make it equally effective for indoor furniture restoration or outdoor carpentry, as it resists moisture and temperature shifts with ease. Best of all, this non-toxic and odorless glue is safe for use in any environment, providing a powerful, permanent hold that bridges the gap between delicate art and rugged household repairs. Number 3. The Gorilla 2-part Epoxy offers an incredibly strong, professional-grade bonding solution for those seeking a clean and durable finish on household or automotive repairs. This high-performance resin is engineered to dry crystal clear, ensuring that your projects maintain a seamless appearance without visible residue. The innovative syringe design features separate barrels for the resin and hardener, dispensing the formula evenly while preventing it from hardening prematurely between uses. With a convenient 5-minute set time, you have the necessary flexibility to reposition and adjust your materials before the permanent bond takes hold. Beyond simple repairs, this water-resistant adhesive excels at gap filling, effectively bridging voids on uneven or vertical surfaces. Whether you are tackling plant maintenance or fixing a delicate heirloom, this tough epoxy provides the structural integrity and moisture resistance required for long-lasting, reliable results in any workshop. Number 2. JB Weld. Original is the ultimate Cold-Weld epoxy system, specifically engineered as a heavy-duty alternative to traditional torch welding. This steel-reinforced formula creates a bond stronger than steel, making it the premier choice for automotive, marine, and complex household repairs. Once mixed at a simple 1-to-1 ratio, the dark gray resin sets in 4 to 6 hours and achieves a full cure within 24 hours. After reaching maximum strength, the material is incredibly versatile. It can be drilled, tapped, sanded, or molded to fit any repair needs. With a remarkable tensile strength of 50-20 psi and the ability to withstand temperatures up to 550 degrees, it remains dependable under extreme conditions. This waterproof adhesive is also resistant to chemicals, petroleum, and acids, ensuring a permanent, high-performance solution for metal, concrete, wood, and fiberglass surfaces alike. Number 1. Loctite Superglue. Ultra Gel Control provides a high-performance bonding solution designed for durability and precision in everyday repairs. This advanced rubber-toughened formula is specifically engineered to resist water, impact, and heavy vibration, making it ideal for items subjected to harsh conditions or constant use. The unique gel consistency ensures a no-mess application that will not drip or run, even when used on vertical surfaces. For maximum user control, The patented side squeeze bottle allows for pinpoint accuracy, ensuring the adhesive goes exactly where it is needed. This versatile cyanoacrylate bonds seamlessly to both porous and non-porous materials, including leather, wood, metal, and hard plastics. It sets quickly without the need for clamping and dries perfectly transparent, delivering invisible results for delicate hobby projects, office tasks, and rugged household fixes that require a professional-grade finish.